In today's digital age, effective email marketing is crucial for businesses to reach their target audience and grow their customer base. Mailchimp is one of the most popular email marketing platforms that can help businesses achieve their marketing goals. In this video, we'll explore what Mailchimp is, what it's used for, its benefits and features, how to set it up and use it, and some tips for getting the most out of it. And finally, some examples of successful Mailchimp campaigns, pricing plans, and alternative services. What is Mailchimp used for? Mailchimp is an online marketing platform that enables users to create, manage, and track email campaigns. It was founded in 2001 and has since become one of the largest email marketing companies in the world. Mailchimp helps businesses and organizations automate their email campaigns, reach their target audience, and grow their customer base. Its features include automation, segmentation, analytics, a drag-and-drop template builder, custom designs with HTML and CSS, and integration with popular web hosting and e-commerce platforms such as WordPress, Shopify, and BigCommerce. Benefits of using Mailchimp. Mailchimp offers a range of benefits for businesses and organizations. It is easy to use, even for beginners. Its automation feature allows users to create automated campaigns based on triggers and user behavior. Its segmentation feature enables users to target the right customers with the correct emails. Its analytics feature allows users to track the performance of their campaigns. Mailchimp also supports A/B testing, which lets users test different versions of their emails to see which performs better. How to set up Mailchimp? Setting up Mailchimp is easy. You can create an account in just a few minutes and start sending out emails right away. First, create an account by visiting the Mailchimp website and clicking the Sign Up button. Then, add your contacts by importing a list of contacts from a CSV file or by manually entering them. Next, create a list where you can manage your contacts and segment them into different groups. Design your email using the drag-and-drop template builder, and customize your emails with HTML and CSS. Finally, set up automation and track analytics to understand how your emails are performing. How to use Mailchimp. Once you've set up Mailchimp, you can start using it to create and send out emails. Here are some tips for getting the most out of Mailchimp. Personalize your emails using Mailchimp's segmentation feature. Use A/B testing to test different versions of your emails to see which performs better. Track your analytics to understand how your emails are performing. Automate your emails using Mailchimp's automation feature to save time and make sure your emails are sent out on time. Make use of templates provided by Mailchimp to create professional-looking emails. Let's take a look at some examples of successful Mailchimp campaigns. Examples of successful Mailchimp campaigns. Mailchimp has been used by many successful businesses and organizations to reach their target audience and grow their customer base. Here are a few examples. Charity. Water. This nonprofit organization used Mailchimp to create a series of automated campaigns to engage with donors and raise funds for their cause. They were able to increase their donations by 40% using Mailchimp. Unsplash. This popular stock photo website used Mailchimp to send out a weekly newsletter to its subscribers. Their newsletter featured their best photos of the week and links to their website. This helped them to increase their website traffic and revenue. Litmus. This email testing and analytics company used Mailchimp to send out a welcome email to new subscribers. They included a personalized video message in their welcome email, which helped them to increase their engagement rates. Mailchimp pricing plans. Mailchimp has a range of pricing plans to suit different needs and budgets. Here's an overview. Free. Mailchimp's free plan allows users to send up to 10,000 emails per month to up to 2,000 subscribers. It includes basic email templates, marketing CRM, and audience insights. Essentials. Mailchimp's Essentials plan starts at $9.99 per month and allows users to send up to 50,000 emails per month to up to 5,000 subscribers. It includes all the features of the free plan, as well as advanced email templates, A/B testing, and more. Standard. Mailchimp's standard plan starts at $14.99 per month and allows users to send up to 100,000 emails per month to up to 10,000 subscribers. It includes all the features of the Essentials plan, as well as advanced audience insights, retargeting ads, and more. Premium. Mailchimp's premium plan starts at $299 per month and allows users to send unlimited emails to unlimited subscribers. It includes all the features of the standard plan, as well as advanced segmentation, priority support, and more. Alternatives to Mailchimp. While Mailchimp is a popular email marketing tool, there are also several alternatives that businesses and organizations can consider. Here are a few. Constant Contact. This email marketing tool is similar to Mailchimp and offers a range of features, including email templates, automation, and more. Pricing starts at $20 per month. Sendinblue. This email marketing tool offers a range of features, including automation, transactional email. In conclusion, Mailchimp is an effective email marketing tool that can help businesses and organizations reach their target audience and grow their customer base. Its range of features, easy-to-use interface, and affordable pricing plans make it an attractive option for businesses of all sizes. However, it's important to consider alternative options as well to find the best fit for your specific needs and budget. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe.